In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Bluehost cache effectively. This process is essential for maintaining the optimal performance of your website, ensuring that it loads smoothly and quickly for visitors. Caching helps speed up websites by storing copies of the pages, but sometimes outdated or incorrect data can be stored. This can create glitches or prevent you from seeing updates. So, let's dive into the step-by-step instructions on how to clear the cache. First, you'll need to access your Bluehost account, so start by logging into your Bluehost account manager. This is the platform that hosts your website and where you'll manage most of the back-end functions. Enter your credentials, ensuring they are correct to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. There is an option to reset it on the login page. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see various tabs that let you manage different aspects of your hosted websites. Focus on locating the Websites tab, as this is your gateway to managing the specific site whose cache you want to clear. Now, you need to find the particular website that requires cache clearing. If you have multiple websites hosted under the same account, simply scan through the list and click on the Settings option right next to the site in question. Doing this will take you to a dedicated settings page just for that site. Once you are on the settings page, you'll see several tabs dedicated to different functionalities. The section we're interested in is labeled Performance. This tab holds important settings that directly impact the speed and efficiency of your site, caching being one of them. In the Performance tab, find the section specifically labeled Clear Cache. Bluehost provides a straightforward way to purge the cache using this feature. What you'll want to do here is click on the Clear All button. Doing this initiates the process to purge all server-side cache related to your website. This will remove any outdated data versions stored in the cache, allowing for a fresh retrieval of your site's content when visitors access it. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache for your Bluehost-hosted website. By undertaking this process, you're ensuring that any changes you make to your site will be visible in real time to your users, enhancing their browsing experience. Remember, regular cache clearing can help prevent future hiccups, so consider incorporating this action into your site management routine, especially after making significant updates to your web content or layout. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more helpful website management tips.